I used to post long animal documentary videos on this channel, and the channel even got monetized. But there was one problem. The views were just not growing the way I expected. Then I changed my niche, and suddenly my shorts started getting thousands of views, and even millions. Before this, I was making animal documentary videos. I spent a lot of time on them. I tried to make them look professional, and honestly, I was happy when the channel got monetized. But after some time, I realized something. Even though the videos were good, they were not getting the audience I expected. And that is when I started thinking, maybe the problem was not only the quality, maybe the problem was the niche. So I decided to try something new. I already knew After Effects and I was pretty good at editing, so I thought, why not use those skills and test a completely different type of content? So I made my first edit and posted it as a short. And honestly, I did not expect too much. But then the video started getting views. That gave me motivation. So I kept posting more edits regularly, and slowly the results started getting better and better. From normal views to thousands, and then over 1 million views. That is when I understood something important. Sometimes changing your niche can completely change your channel. The biggest thing I learned is this: YouTube does not only reward hard work, it rewards content that people actually want to watch, click, and replay. My old videos took a lot of time, but the new niche had stronger hooks, faster pacing, more emotion, and better retention. And for shorts, the first few seconds are everything. If the start is boring, people scroll. But if the start creates curiosity, they stay. Now, if you're wondering how I make these edits, I will quickly show you the main softwares I use. I use After Effects for the main editing, effects, text animations, transitions, and color grading. I use Flowframes to make the video smoother by increasing the FPS. I use Topaz Video AI to enhance the video quality and make it look sharper. And finally, I use HandBrake to compress the final video for YouTube upload without losing any quality. I will explain everything properly in future tutorials. And yes, I have good news. I am going to start making tutorials about my full editing process. I will show you how I create the edits, how I make the text animations, how I use effects, how I improve the quality, and how I prepare the final video for upload. So if you want to learn this editing style, make sure to stay connected. And if you have any tutorial suggestions, comment them down below. So yeah, changing my niche was one of the best decisions I made for this channel. I went from posting videos that were not reaching enough people to creating content that finally started getting real attention. And honestly, this is just the beginning. From now on, I will keep posting more edits, more breakdowns, and more tutorials about how I make these videos. So if you're interested in editing, content creation, or growing a YouTube channel, make sure to follow the journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.